Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Minecraft Java Edition with a controller. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, first things first, you're going to open your Steam. So, if you have Steam, then just open it. If you don't, then just search for it and install it. Once you open Steam, then all you have to do is to go to your library. Then you're going to click the bottom left button that says Add Game right here. Once you click on it, click on Add a non-Steam game, and then search for your Minecraft launcher. You might have it as the actual normal Minecraft launcher, or maybe as a T launcher that you might have installed. Once you have any of the Minecraft launchers that you would like, click on Add Selected Programs, and then from here you're going to click on the big picture button that is on the top right here. Once you click on it, it's going to then transform you into the big picture mode for Steam. Once you're here, all you have to do is to click on the menu button on the bottom left, click on the settings, then in settings, click on controller. Then in controller, you're going to click on desktop layout, non-game controller layouts. Click edit. Then from here, you're going to enable Steam input. Once you connect your controller and enable Steam input, then it's going to input all the default buttons for a regular controller, whether it's the Xbox or the PlayStation controller. And also there will be an option for you to edit each single button, what it does. And so once you connect that and you go back, and then go back again, then you can go back to your games library and where you have added your Minecraft game. So just click on the library right here. And then from here, you can just select for the non-Steam and then launch the Minecraft app that you had. And as you can see now, it supports controller support. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.